Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
Blessed, I'm here again once more. Manners and respect each and every one of my people. I have information to give to you. I have something I want to talk to you about. I have a question I'm going to ask you, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. So let me start off by presenting a certain amount of videos to you that are being talked about on social media. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a police officer pepper sprayed a person. Yes, this video that I'm about to present to you is going to show when a police officer sprayed pepper spray on someone. And a person in the video said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said that the officer laughing. Take a look at this screenshot right here, which is from part of a video. See? So the whole situation made me start to wonder, what really and truly have gone? You see what I say? I look at the police officer's face in the video or in the screenshot during subscribers. It just have me thinking. You see what I say? Anyways, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video had been recorded. Take a look at this video and tell me if you think the police officer who sprayed pepper spray on someone handled the situation properly or not. You tell me what I think, my people. Oh, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Ralph, yeah, you right there? You can talk about that, so? Yeah! Yeah, so yeah, pass, yeah, man. You have a song after done. Let me get my brother. Yeah, I can remember you when I was there.
Yes, you see I hear certain things in the video. But people, take a look at this. Look at the police officer's face right here. I know me hear somebody in the video say laughing. Me take a look at this part of the video. I wonder. Oh well, let me know what you think about the situation there, people. Alright, so here I'm going to move on to a section of this video where I'm going to ask a question: who was right from who was wrong, based on what you're about to see in this video that I'm about to present to you. Alright, so here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when two motor vehicles collided. Yeah, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when one motor vehicle that was being operated by someone collided with a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone. And this happened at the intersection of a roadway. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video had been recorded during subscribers, see? But more take a look at this video and tell me which one of the drivers of these motor vehicles was in the wrong. More take a look at the stoplights that I can see in the video. Take a look at the video properly and tell me who was right and who was wrong when it comes down to how these two motor vehicles collided. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people. Alright, so this is the video right here, people. See? Take a look at the stoplights there. See? Notice, you see red there now, the pan red. So therefore, at the other side, a vehicle or traffic flow here. See? Look. You see that? Notice which one of the traffic lights have red padded from which one have the green, you know. See? So, in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, this is my opinion. I would say that the motorist or the person who was driving this motor vehicle that I can see highlighted right here, I would say that the motorist who was driving this motor vehicle was the person who was in the wrong. Because in my point of view, the traffic light, based on what we see in the video, was on red. Yeah, the traffic light was on red on this section of the intersection, and that's in my point of view. So I would say that this motorist was in the wrong. You tell me what you think, my people, but me I tell you what I think. I think that this motorist was in the wrong. Yeah, right. See? If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Now, my people, I'm going to present a video to you. And I want you to listen to some words that a person said in this video. See, because a person said some words in this video that have me thinking all different type of ways. See, me at one point, I wonder if anyone could have really wicked so. I wonder if this video is of a real situation or if the video is of a publicity stunt. My people, I wonder all different type of ways based on what the person said in the video, my people. So why you listen to what this person said? And tell me what you think about what the person said in this video, viewers and subscribers. You can tell me if you believe or if you do not believe what the person said in the video, viewers and subscribers. Tell me what you think overall. Observe.
Look at this, right? This is the only one pumpkin I have here on this vine. And the man ain't gone with 3/4 the pumpkin, the man and thief. Now you tell me what I gonna do with quarter of a pumpkin. Look at this. What I gonna do with this little piece of pumpkin here? Look, the man ain't gone with 3/4 the pumpkin them. Man them not easy down here, you know. Look at this.
That's more than half of the pumpkin cut off and left back like that. No. I am not confirming anything in the viewers and subscribers. I'm asking you if you believe or if you do not believe what the person said in the video about that pumpkin or the piece of pumpkin. But it look like the cut then look, you know what I mean? You know, like when you cut pumpkin and did for a long while, it don't really look as though some Jamaicans are say like very, very still. But the thing is, though, my people, see, that's not good. I mean, it don't make no sense that cut and left like that. And that's why I wonder certain things about this video. Man, listen, man, I mean, anyone could have really and truly, my people, like, you see the thing? That's not good for the pumpkin, right? So see, but let me know what you think, yeah, my people. Yeah, tell me if you believe or if you don't believe, if you think a publicity stunt or what, and if you ever have any from my experience about a situation like this, you can also let me know in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. So I got information that a US Secret Service director who goes by the name of Kimberly Cheetle has resigned. Yes, I got information that a US Secret Service director has resigned after security failures surrounding an assassination attempt on the former United States of America president who goes by the name of Donald Trump. So it is said that she said in her resignation letter that she made the difficult decision to leave the agency with a heavy heart and that she doesn't want her departure to distract agents from their mission. In my point of view, viewers and subscribers, and based on comments that I read on social media, I got the understanding that there are persons who questioned how Donald Trump was being protected and about that incident that happened where it is said that there was an assassination attempt on Donald Trump. That's what I'm saying to you. For the first time I got information about a situation like that, I said to myself, someone might have to answer as to how something like that happened. I tell you, some job and a joking job, my people. certain responsibilities are no joke. Well, yes, I left it now, my people. Big up and the respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.